Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. Today we take a deep dive into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Linea d'Arabo by Mansory, a masterpiece of design, performance, and bespoke luxury that pushes the boundaries of what an ultra-luxury SUV can be. The Cullinan has always stood at the peak of opulence, but Mansory's unique take elevates it to a new level with exclusive design cues, high-end materials, and performance enhancements that turn heads on any road. Mansory is known for reimagining luxury vehicles into personalized automotive art, and with the Linea d'Arabo edition, they have brought bold creativity to the commanding presence of the Cullinan. This SUV now features an aggressive carbon fiber exterior kit with sharper lines and custom aerodynamic components. The front end is redefined with a more prominent grille, redesigned bumper, and bespoke LED lighting elements that give it an unmistakable road presence. From the rear, the carbon fiber diffuser, roof spoiler, and quad exhaust outlets add a sense of raw power and refinement. The Linea d'Arabo package also includes exclusive two-tone paint finishes and forged alloy wheels in various designs, all customizable to the owner's desire. Step inside, and the luxury intensifies with handcrafted interiors that blend high-end leathers, Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and custom embroidery. The cabin is tailored to the preferences of its owner, with details like starlight headliners, illuminated trim panels, and unique seat stitching patterns that make every ride an indulgent experience. The rear seat layout can be customized for executive travel, with individual seats, champagne coolers, and retractable picnic tables. Every inch of the cabin is a statement of exclusivity and attention to detail. Under the hood, the 2025 Cullinan Linea d'Arabo maintains its 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, but Mansory has given it a performance tune that boosts output to around 610 horsepower and over 900 Nm of torque. This allows the massive SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5 seconds. Despite its size and weight, the Cullinan delivers an unexpectedly smooth and commanding driving experience. The tuned air suspension and adaptive dampers offer a floaty, quiet ride while still managing body roll impressively during dynamic driving. It's not just about power, but a symphony of engineering designed to deliver both performance and grace. Advanced tech features are abundant, with a fully digital instrument cluster, high-resolution infotainment system, rear seat entertainment, and advanced driver assistance systems. Rolls-Royce ensures seamless integration between luxury and technology, making sure that everything operates with ease, silence, and a sense of occasion. The bespoke audio system, tailored for the cabin, delivers crystal-clear sound regardless of road noise, turning the interior into a private concert hall. The Cullinan Linea d'Arabo is not just a car, it is a lifestyle statement. For those who want to go beyond standard luxury and into the realm of the truly extraordinary, Mansory's edition offers the ultimate expression of wealth and individuality. It is rare, bold, and unapologetically extravagant, catering to those who demand the best in design, performance, and personalization. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Linea d'Arabo by Mansory is an automotive marvel crafted for those with unmatched taste. It redefines what luxury in the SUV segment can look like, blending supreme comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a bold aesthetic. This is not just transportation, this is an experience, an emotion, and a symbol of status that few can attain. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to stay updated with the latest in luxury automotive innovations, performance machines, and exclusive custom builds, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you even more premium automotive content here at Auto Pulse Media.